Tickle, tickle.
What's some more boy?
Oh.
Let me you try.
This is Whisper.
That's probably my favourite, that one.
Whisper.
Oh, wow. So we're at the farm today.
This big dude, and he's very fluffy. And I don't know if he's a sheep or a goat because of his eyes. I think he's a sheep. And he's very cute. Yay!
Look at all those chickens.
Oh, there's water.